Struggling to improve your CTR? Did you know that about 50% of searches never end up with a click? What is in it for you? It creates heavy competition and makes you go above and beyond to generate more targeted traffic. The best way around this? Blogging, paid search, optimized metadata. All you need is Magefan Rich Snippets Extension for Magento 2. They help to optimize your website search results with additional relevant information. You can add reviews and rating, product price, availability, breadcrumbs, and much more. Do these search results look too generic to you? Studies show rich snippets help you to increase your click-through rate by about 600% and drive from 20 to 40 more clicks than pages without them. Rich snippets make your product stand out, drive more traffic, and attract targeted customers. Learn what our customers say about it. Check out the Magento 2 Rich Snippets Extension on magefan.com or find us on social media to stay tuned about new updates.